Just encounter the Lord while you're praying. You ever I just told him something. I just said, I'm watching a hummingbird on my deck up there. So sweet. I just told the Lord, I said, you are where I belong. You are where I belong. That's all I said. You are where I belong. And then he just comes. It's not a lot of words. It's the simplicity of your heart connecting to God on the most simplest terms. Say something to him that is sweet, that is loving, that will take you to the heart of the Father. Because that's all he wants, is just the simplicity. He doesn't want perfect prayers. He does not want perfect prayers. What moves his heart is heart-filled prayers. From your heart, not from your mind or intellect and sounding good, but just prayers that just come from the depth, from the heart of you. And then he just comes. You are where I belong.